Hello, what's up, traders? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will just show you my trading session, which happened which actually took place today on the 13th of November 2023. As usual, my trading session begins at 8 a.m. and I usually mark the beginning of the trading session using this blue line here. You can see this blue line here. And then usually I take a break on trading. It's around 5 p.m. and then I continue trading at around these times, which is now the time is, we can say 19:15, which is 7:15 in South African time. But I usually get back to my place it's around this time, 6:30. So it's 6:30. What I do is I continue to mark where I will be continuing my trading session if I get any trading opportunities. So if I continue getting any trading opportunities, I continue according to me seeing the setups. Currently, what I'm waiting for is, as you can see here, there was a fresh break from this point to this higher high here. You can see price really broke this level here, and it was a level of resistance. And now we can anticipate that, as you can see, price is unable to continue to the upside. So now price is relaxed here because it's actually setting itself to do some sort of correction. There might be some sort of correction like this. As you can see, there's this imbalance here. So this is a major level. It will come and retest here, or it can possibly go and break and only retest this red trend line here. It's either it's gonna retest this level here or the red trend line here, and it could be equal to these points here. So this is the if it doesn't retest here, this is the last point where it might retest, just after breaking this trend line, because price actually likes playing games. So it will obviously retest this trend line and go to target this high here, because now you can see it's currently creating a new high. Price is creating a new high at this point. So that's the plan. Never mind these trades here, because these ones were just me placing the stop orders. I placed some 2 stop orders because it's around 5. I drive back home, and my 2 stop orders got stopped out, as you can see, and I wasn't here to catch this break here, because usually whenever it breaks, immediately after getting a break like this, I enter, because I'm a scalper. I don't waste time analyzing things. So I was just gonna go to this. I was just gonna enter here, and I usually use the profit levels of the stop levels of 3,000, and my profit levels are 3,700. That's standard for me. Each and every time I catch a trade, this is what I do. So I was gonna enter on this level here, and as you saw, TP was hit. Actually, TP could have been hit. As you saw there, take profit could have been hit. So remember guys, when it comes to trading, you know that we have support, and resistance. So this one is support. Usually my supports are red, my resistance are green, as you can see. So let's say price was coming from the bottom and then it breaks. Okay, let me begin like this. Let me rather do this. Let's say price, obviously price came and broke here. So now price came and created another level here. But then as soon as price goes up and break this level again and goes and create another support, you must expect that price will come here to retest so that it can go and break this high, this new high. So this new high is now like a new target. So if you don't like breaking trading the immediate breaks, it's best for you to wait for a retest, and as soon as you get a retest here, you place your entry, and I'm telling you, price has a high probability of breaking this level. So if you are those kind of traders who like waiting for a retest, you can just wait for a retest here. As you can see, it's coming for a retest now here. You wait for a retest and you enter like this, and you can target here. If you are like me and you like, it's either to be safe, you can target this one here, or you can if you're like me, you can just create your own trading rules. So according to me, my trading rules is my stop levels are always 3,000 and my profit is always 2,700, like this. Then if you want to be greedy, then you can just set it up to be high like that. But for me, because I play it safe, it's best for me to just stick to the rules and have it like this and wait for another opportunity, because since price broke here, it will come and retest again and go up there. So that's how I trade. And I always make sure that I trade the breakout and retests. So this for me could have been my first opportunity. I could have taken this from here up until to my target around here, and now I would be waiting for this to come, because it's gonna come, and when it comes, it will retest these levels here. It will retest this level here, or this level around here, or it will retest this trend line here. You can see this red trend line. Price usually does that. For example, you saw here, it came to retest this trend line here, and then price shot up. It went up, as you can see from here. As soon as you get the closure of the red candlestick here, as soon as you get this closure here of a red candlestick, you enter here on this second one. and then stick to your rules of having a 3000 stop level and a 3700 profit level, like this, just to be safe. And this is a 5-minute time frame. It's a 5-minute time frame, and you can see here, even here it came to retest this trend line here. It came to retest this trend line here, and you could have maybe entered maybe a buying opportunity, but we don't do that. I don't trade like that. I actually follow this indicator here. As soon as I get a break below, then I enter sells only. That's why after here there was no break above. That's why I was constantly looking for selling opportunities. That's why everything was just sells. As long as we have breaks of the red lines, these red lines, if they continue to be broken, if these red lines continue to get broken, what I look for is selling opportunities. And now, since these green lines were not getting broken until here, you can see here with this arrow here, price shot up and broke the greens. So price went up and broke the greens, meaning I was now looking for buying opportunities. I look for buying opportunities. As you can see, it's trying to correct itself now. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. We'll continue on the next one, on the next session.